In the skies of tomorrow, air combat will never be the same. Imagine a fighter jet that doesn't just follow commands. It thinks, adapts, and learns. Welcome to the AI-controlled crew conversion aircraft, a revolutionary concept transforming legacy jets into smarter, faster, and more lethal war machines. Today, we're going to explore every cutting-edge feature that makes this aircraft a game-changer for the USAF, and why the future of warfare relies on machines that can think on their own. Feature 1. AI Brain Upgrade Module. The AI Brain Upgrade Module is the heart of this transformation. It gives legacy jets a digital mind capable of analyzing threats, coordinating with drones, and making split-second decisions in real time. This module transforms older aircraft into semi-autonomous, near next-generation fighters. Pilots gain a strategic partner in the cockpit. While the AI handles complex maneuvers and calculations, the pilot can focus on overall mission strategy, turning the aircraft into a far more effective and lethal platform. Feature 2. Human-AI Hybrid Cockpit. The Human-AI Hybrid Cockpit can seamlessly switch between full human control, human plus AI mode, and full autonomous operation. In shared mode, the AI manages navigation, tactical decisions, and threat assessment, while the pilot oversees the mission strategically. The cockpit displays real-time threat zones, drone coordination, and optimal engagement paths, effectively giving the pilot a super-intelligent co-pilot at all times. This improves both situational awareness and mission efficiency. Feature 3. Operator on-the-loop oversight. Instead of manually controlling every maneuver, the pilot supervises while the AI executes the mission. This reduces fatigue, minimizes human error, and allows the aircraft to perform complex missions that would overwhelm a human pilot. In high-risk operations like multi-drone coordination or enemy-dense environments, the AI handles the technical work while the pilot focuses on strategy, making the aircraft a true tactical powerhouse. Feature 4. Advanced Decision Support Engine. The Advanced Decision Support Engine constantly evaluates radar, terrain, weather, fuel levels, and enemy positions. It recommends optimal routes, evasive actions, and attack strategies, like a co-pilot with superhuman intelligence. During combat, the AI can instantly calculate escape paths, coordinate with drones, and propose counterattacks, giving pilots a strategic advantage far beyond human capability. Feature 5. Autonomous Formation. Flying AI enables the aircraft to coordinate seamlessly with other fighters, drones, tankers, and surveillance assets. Entire formations operate as a single, synchronized entity, executing complex strategies with pinpoint precision. This allows for highly efficient missions where each aircraft knows its role, adjusts in real time, and maximizes firepower and protection, creating a battlefield advantage impossible with traditional formations. Feature 6. Self-Preservation Reflex System. The self-preservation reflex system acts as the aircraft's instincts, automatically avoiding collisions, terrain hazards, and incoming threats faster than any human could react. Whether evading missiles or navigating difficult terrain, the AI reacts instantly, keeping both the pilot and jet safe while maintaining mission integrity, even in high-speed, high-risk environments. Feature 7. Modular Mission Personality. The jet can adapt its behavior depending on the mission: reconnaissance, escort, aggressive air dominance, or defensive support. This allows a single aircraft to play multiple roles in real time. Such versatility reduces the need for specialized aircraft, enhancing the USAF's flexibility while allowing rapid adaptation to changing battlefield conditions. Feature 8. Predictive Maintenance AI. The AI constantly monitors aircraft systems, predicting potential failures before they occur. This reduces downtime, saves costs, and ensures the jet is always mission-ready. Ground crews receive alerts about minor issues before they escalate, making maintenance smarter, faster, and more proactive while extending the operational life of these upgraded jets. Feature 9. Combat Cloud Connectivity. This aircraft connects to a massive digital network, linking satellites, ground stations, other jets, and drones. All assets share real-time data, transforming the battlefield into a unified, intelligent system. This connectivity maximizes situational awareness, enhances coordination, and allows the US Air Force to operate with unprecedented speed and precision, creating a true force multiplier. Feature 10. Dynamic Learning Engine. The Dynamic Learning Engine allows the AI to learn from every flight, mission simulation, and pilot behavior. Each sortie improves its decision-making, reaction speed, and mission efficiency. Over time, the aircraft becomes increasingly capable, adapting to new threats and optimizing performance autonomously, effectively evolving with experience like a living system in the sky. Feature 11. AI-controlled emergency handling. In emergencies such as engine failure, hydraulic issues, or sudden disorientation, the AI can immediately take over control. It can stabilize the aircraft, navigate safely, and execute emergency procedures faster than any human pilot. This not only protects the pilot's life but also preserves the jet in situations that would normally be catastrophic, making the aircraft exceptionally reliable in high-risk missions. Feature 12. Legacy Jet Transformation. Perhaps the most important feature, AI upgrades extend the life and relevance of older fighter jets. By integrating these digital systems, the US Air Force can modernize entire fleets without the massive cost of building new aircraft. This transformation allows legacy aircraft to perform like modern fighters, bridging the gap until the full deployment of sixth-generation jets, while ensuring pilots and commanders have maximum capability at their disposal. The AI-controlled crew conversion aircraft is more than a concept. It's a glimpse into the future of aviation, combining AI intelligence, autonomous operations, and adaptive learning. It transforms legacy jets into smart, versatile, and lethal assets. From advanced decision-making to predictive maintenance and full battlefield connectivity, every feature is designed to make the aircraft smarter, safer, and more effective. The future of air combat isn't just faster or stronger. It's smarter. If you enjoyed this deep dive into next-generation aviation, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Sky Vector for more cutting-edge military tech. The skies are changing, and we'll explore every breakthrough together.